Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Wave Accounting Review My Usage Experience. Wave Accounting Review My Usage Experience offers free accounting software for small businesses and freelancers. Its main purpose is to simplify bookkeeping, invoicing, and financial reporting. Key features include invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reports. Their website provides details on the range of available plans, from the free version to paid options offering more advanced functionalities. Wave Accounting positions itself as a user-friendly and affordable alternative to traditional accounting software. Their website highlights the ease of use, emphasizing no hidden fees and no contracts. They boast a clean interface and straightforward functionality. Availability is global, as it's a web-based application. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Wave Accounting. Getting started was a breeze. The sign-up process was quick and intuitive, and I was able to input my initial business information without any hiccups. Navigating the interface was also straightforward. I particularly appreciated the clear layout of the dashboard, which presented key financial metrics at a glance. I found creating invoices incredibly easy, just a few clicks and they were sent to my clients. Expense tracking was also streamlined, allowing me to categorize and upload receipts with minimal effort. The performance was consistently reliable, the platform never crashed or lagged, even when I was processing a large number of transactions. I had a quick question about integrating with my payroll software, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, providing a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the automatic report generation. It saved me a significant amount of time. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which sometimes made it inconvenient to check on things while on the go. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for customizing reports, but once I understood them, they were very powerful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Wave Accounting. It's a powerful tool that simplified my bookkeeping significantly, especially for the price, free for many of its core functionalities. That's my overview of Wave Accounting. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.